You know that moment when you catch your reflection and wish your skin could tell a different story? Less stress, fewer scars, a little more glow. We've all been there, trying to scrub, strip, or fix our skin into perfection, only to end up with irritation staring back at us. But what if the secret wasn't in fighting your skin, but in listening to it? That's where nature steps in, with a little science and a lot of heart. AMVital's Turmeric Face Oil brings together centuries of wisdom and modern skincare innovation. Turmeric calms inflammation deep beneath the surface, easing redness and swelling before it even begins. Rosehip and jojoba oils mimic your skin's natural balance, telling your body, hey, you've got enough. And that's when real healing starts. You'll notice the difference, not overnight, but over time. Acne softens, dark spots fade gently. And your skin? It begins to glow. Not because of makeup, but because it's finally at peace. This isn't about chasing flawless skin. It's about nurturing it. One drop, one mindful moment at a time. Because when your skin feels calm, you do too. Where nature and confidence meet. Because your glow was always meant to shine through. Want more stories that connect skin, nature, and self-care? Hit subscribe and let's keep glowing together.